not like that शरारती बात. Some of you were dancing like guys dance. लड़की डांस करती है तो उसका movement लड़की जैसा होना चाहिए, and that you had.
Thank you. Frankly speaking, she was standing in the corner and she was just, shaking one of her legs, not even dancing properly. I understand you say she's a stunner to look at, but hell, stop praising her dancing. She wasn't dancing good, man. But then finally they liked it. Everyone liked it. So
next was Ruksha, right? Yeah, Ruksha, you were very pretty too.
Thank you.
Like all of you all here. Ruksha, आपका एक मैंने notice किया, आप बहुत अच्छी बात करते हो, पर बात करते करते आप nails bite करते हो.
I have a habit of touching my lips a lot.
आपकी lips tasty है या nails?
नहीं, I just have a habit of putting my.
Okay, तो ये habit जानी चाहिए अगर आपको जीतना है तो.
मेरी मम्मा तो सच में मुझे मार डालने वाली, इतने बार बोला कि हाथ मुंह में मत डालो, मुंह में मत डालो.
Next is Sana, right? Sana, good, you spoke well, but when you came to meet us, you and Ruksha sat together on the same chair. Yeah, so ideally when you're in a party, try and find another chair. I know it's recession time, but not so bad. But you were good, you spoke well. Fourth is Apeksha. Apeksha, आपने भी अच्छी बात की, पर बहुत बात करते हो आप.
Look like you are trying to hug the limelight. वो कभी-कभी थोड़ा irritating हो सकता है.
सीखोगे आप कम बात करनी. आप जो इतने beautiful हो, इतनी बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
पता नहीं क्यों इतना बोल रही थी. I was talking so much.
Next is Tanya. Tanya, when you are dancing, you dance very well, but I think you will give a boys the complex. Look at Riya, little आप उनका movements देखो, थोड़ा lady like. पर आप में एनर्जी बहुत है, बट इतना अनकंट्रोल एनर्जी है कि कहाँ भी चला जा सकता है. तालिबान के म्यूजिक.
मुझे बहुत ज्यादा बुरा लगा. डांस सारा मस्ती के हिसाब से होता है. वो क्लीशे टाइप की एक मिस इंडिया टाइप की लड़की ढूंढ रहे थे. मुझे वो जजमेंट बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं लगी.
नेक्स्ट इज तानिया. तानिया, यू वेरी प्रिटी, यू स्पोक वेरी वेल. आपकी नेटवर्किंग स्किल्स बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. एक्सीलेंट, आई वुड पुट इट एट अ वेरी हाई क्वालिटी. Very pleasant, not too loud, spoke just right. I was very impressed, very good. And the last lady, Aditi, you spoke well, but I think you could also speak less.
आपका थोड़ा networking skill थोड़ा और improve करना पड़ेगा. We'll be more impressed with you. I think you need to work on those qualities slightly more.
Overall, good performance, and I like the way you dance. You have a lot of energy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay girls, so we do have some results. We have come to a conclusion on who's performed really well and who's not done so well. But the girls that really didn't impress the judges too much this time was Tanya, Apeksha. Okay, you weren't very impressive for the judges this time, so you really need to improve on your social skills, a little bit of maturity and your networking skills. Okay? But the girls that really stood out for the judges were Tanya and Riya. Okay, you girls really stood out for them. They were very impressed by you, but there can only be one winner. Mr. Patel is now going to say who that is.
Any guesses? Okay, the winner tonight is Tanya Khalva. Congratulations, Tanya.
Okay, but for the rest of you, another challenge tomorrow. Buckle up, girls. This is getting tougher and tougher.
So for now, get ready to rumble. Tomorrow is another day. There will be work, there will be a challenge, there will be bad food during lunch, but during dinner it gets better. Don't eat too much during lunch. Wait for the meal at dinner. Okay, go to your room, enjoy yourselves, and bye-bye. Good night.
Good night, guys.
Hi.
When we went back to our room, तो तभी तो I was like, मैं कितना बात करती हूँ. And I was telling Aditi कि अब तो मैं बात ही नहीं करूँगी 10 दिन के लिए. I was horrible, I was terrible, I don't know what I made a bloody joke of myself out there. I spoke to all, and I spoke a lot. And I spoke. It's not like I am talking too
Even
much.
I don't understand.
Normally, I'll talk.
I spoke to everyone normally. I didn't interact with anyone. Okay. Actually, I didn't show interest.
मेरे को पक रहा था. मेरे को पता है तेरे को पकेगा. तू है ही ऐसी.
Anusha is gonna hate me, you know. Anusha is gonna hate me for what? Because I bite nails.
Why do you know? I've seen you only calling me there.
No, actually, I बहुत बार देखा है.
तो रियल में उसका रिएक्शन देगा ना क्या?
Don't scare me more. I have a habit, but छूट जाएगी अभी उसने कहा है ना. टीवी पे वो भी छूट जाएगी बस यार.
Hello, Teen Divas.
Hello.
Tanya K. You are in a stay-free safe zone after a super performance yesterday. For the rest of you girls, आप सब जब shopping जाते हैं, do you like mannequins? हाँ?
Yeah.
आज का जो challenge है, it's extremely fascinating because आप सब बनने वाले हैं mannequins. Not normal mannequins, obviously, but ballerina mannequins.
मैं बहुत ही टेंशन में आ गई थी क्योंकि बैलरीना और रिया बिल्कुल एक साथ नहीं हो सकते.
I have to tell you what you're going to be judged on. It is poise, it is posture, it is the way you can control your balance, and it is all about your body structure. So what I've been telling you, straighten up, straighten up, straighten up, is now going to come into use. So, Sana, I hope you're ready for this one. And Aditi, you were slouching yesterday, so I hope you're ready also.
I'm so used to doing hip hop and Bollywood, and this is not my cup of tea.
आपको ट्रेन करने के लिए, आपको एडवाइस करने के लिए, आपको डायरेक्शन देने के लिए, we have a professional, highly esteemed ballerina and somebody who's going to be here and help you all out. So put your hands together for Khushu. Thank you so much for being here, Khushu. मेहरबानी इस गर्मी में आप यहाँ पे आ गए. It's so sweet of you.
Everybody, just see her posture, isn't it amazing?
हम मतलब बहुत नर्वस थे, मतलब इतनी अच्छी ट्रेन डांस करते हैं, हम कैसा करेंगे, हमें तो ए भी नहीं आता ठीक से बैले का.
बहुत खुश हूँ. 7 लड़कियों में सिर्फ मैं ही रिलैक्स कर रही हूँ, बाकी सारे धूप में प्रैक्टिस करने जाएंगे.
Classical ballet, it's very sort of elegant in its appearance. We do not do anything with our feet parallel. They have to stand like in a sort of penguin position. You want the whole ankle to stretch, so it should look like a banana. See, most of you have done this with your body. Still stay straight. So our tummy's in, our bottom's squeezed, our neck is long, our head is up. Immaculate posture, lovely smile, and we go.
Wouldn't be able to do this ballerina mannequin task well if your body all straight.
Okay, girls, thank you. You may go and change.
Does it look like little fairies now?
Yes.
Alright girls, welcome back. आप बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं. It's a really nice outfit to see you all in.
Absolutely beautiful, girls. You're glittering. I love it. You look like absolute professional ballerinas.
Girls, now there's a reason why you all